Hey everybody, and welcome back to Butchy Boom. For those of you guys who are coming for the first time, welcome. We're glad you found us. It's been a wild month since May 7th. Folks, I got to tell you, today's June 10th, and we've had, since about May 7th, 23,398 views. Our channel's brand new. Thank you guys so much, but that's not all. We've got 46 subscribers as of right now. Thank you, all of you, every last one. Thank you. What have we done to earn this, and what are we doing to earn more subscribers and more viewers? Well, we have a whole series on Lake George. We've traveled all over Lake George. We've been up and down Prospect Mountain, all around the countryside, Bolton Landing, Diamond Point. We're doing Six Flags. We're doing all kinds of stuff. So I hope you check out the playlist. We've also got an Uber series. The Uber series is focusing on the new driver, tips and tricks. It's for Lyft as well. So I hope you guys, if you're into Uber and Lyft, check that out. I drive for them, so it's easy for me to do. What else? Lots of general entertainment stuff. We've got some concert series from Steve Vai, Zach Wild. We even had a pig loose in the yard that we caught on camera, on our security camera. We put that up to us trying to capture this stupid pig. Pig won, we lost. Whatever. We have a lot more coming. All of our videos here on YouTube are available on our website at butchyboom.com, and everything that we talk about on our videos is also there on the website. So be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe. I think everywhere, most places you can see the watermark in the lower right-hand side of your screen. You can subscribe by clicking that as well. Please check out our playlist. We have them all outlined below. Again, thank you guys so much. This is a blast doing these. And we wouldn't keep doing it if you didn't keep subscribing. So thank you, and keep us motivated and subscribe, folks. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Hey, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to visit our webpage at butchyboom.com. All of our videos are there. Don't forget to click and subscribe. It really does mean a lot. Thank you so much.